It's stunning, isn't it? Okay guys, I just thought I'd come out here today and give you a quick run through on how I did the snorkel on the narrow body NK Pajero. The snorkel is just a tough terrain, and I got that from Outback Equipment. It was about 130 bucks. Before I became a YouTube sensation, I'd already done a lot of mods to the Pajero, the Gen 2 Pajero, so in some cases I'm just going to go back and do a bit of revision and show you roughly how it was done and give you some tips and maybe fill you in on any mistakes that I'd made in the process. So obviously the wheel has to come off, and also we need to get rid of this plastic inner guard here with those little bullshit screws that are in there that you know, go in but never come out. So this bad boy's got to come out. That sort of sits up in there, that's got to come out. This aluminium piece that comes with the kit, that replaces this here. There's just two screws up in here, one either side, and that just holds that in. One bolt here, which you undo from the inside of the engine bay, and one nut here, which you undo from up inside here, and they're replaced by that bolt there and that bolt there. I've just put two bolts through. The aluminium piece comes with the kit. You just take the plastic box off and you replace it with the aluminium piece there. They supply you with a couple of hose clamps and a rubber piece to go from the aluminium piece into the snorkel. I've actually added some silicone as well as the hose clamps just to make sure she's watertight in there. So there's bolts all the way through. There's a couple more there, one there, and there's two down there, and then you've got the hole there and the two bolts there, and then there's the rubber pipe and the aluminium piece that you bolt in place to the plastic box. There's also a seal that sits in between this aluminium piece and the inside little part that it screws up into to give you a seal in there. So the kit comes with the snorkel. It also comes with a paper pattern that you lay along the guard here. It gives you all of the areas where you need to mark out to drill holes and drill or cut the larger hole in there for the snorkel part to push through the guard. When you're laying down the template or the paper pattern, I don't think it's very accurate. I've had lots of stories about how inaccurate it is. Check, check, and then check again. Even after checking about 2 or 3 times, I'm still too far that way. Not much, maybe just 10 mil or 15 mil, but it's enough. The sleeve that's inside there to be on a slight angle. Hence, that's why I went with the silicone. So check the pattern. Up here, I've just used some self-tappet screws that I've drilled through. You could use nut sets or something like that, and then they come with, this bracket comes with it, and these 3 bolts here, they also come with it as well. You get the head. It's pretty easy to put in. I just drilled a few holes and then got in there with some tin snips, some whiz snips, you know, that I could turn a corner with. You can use a hole saw, maybe chuck a bit of paint on there to make sure you don't get any rust up from the inside. It has a little bit of induction noise, nothing to write home about. So there you go, legends. That's the a bit of a review on how I did the snorkel. Easy job. Just give it a crack, guys.